So misdemeanors are a class of crimes that are not as low as traffic cases and not as high as felony cases. Misdemeanor charges that we commonly see in Colorado, we see assault, we see theft of certain amounts. So theft cases are set based on the amount of theft alleged to have been committed. We see harassment. Harassment can be physically shoving someone or pushing someone. Harassment can also be calling someone racial slurs. It can also be calling someone on the telephone over and over or texting over and over. We see other charges such as obstruction. Now, obstruction can be a felony, but we can also see it as a misdemeanor where if you're refusing to give your name to law enforcement, you can be charged with obstructing justice, which is a misdemeanor. But the most common ones we generally see are assault, which is causing someone physical harm, but it doesn't rise to the level of a felony assault, which would be causing actual potentially permanent damage, but causing injury to someone will result in you being charged with a misdemeanor assault. And with those, you could be facing up to a year in jail. Another type of misdemeanor charge is what's called a drug misdemeanor. Now, drug misdemeanors carry with it different penalties sometimes than regular misdemeanors. They may be more or less than a normal misdemeanor charge, but these are specific misdemeanors that deal with specific drug types. So if you're looking at possession of an illegal drug. So it could be something like heroin or something like a large amount of marijuana or a large amount of mushrooms or a large amount of any classified substance could be considered a drug misdemeanor, depending on the type of drug and depending on the amount of the drugs the person has.